Okay, so now we're gonna make this footer. So for making the footer, we have to just go to this here in the Elementor. We have to open the theme builder. Okay, let's open the theme builder here, and here you can see, okay, this is recording. So now we have to go to this footer section. Here we can just add a new footer. Okay, so we can just make this here. Okay, so this is the footer, this is the design. Okay, so we have to replicate this design. Okay, so you can see here we have two sections. So this is the top one and this is the last one. So in the top one we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we can just close all of this. We're gonna make everything custom. We're not gonna importing anything. So here we can write footer. Okay, now you can see we have to add this 4, and here we can write footer top, right? And here we can just add this color like color picker. Okay, here we can just go to this. Here we can write 60 and here we can write 60. Okay, now you can see in the first box we have to add this logo. So I have the logo here. So you can see, you can use this logo. This I get a random website. I just check this logo and I like this logo. So we can add this here. Now you can see we have to add a text here. So let's add a para. Okay, and here we can just copy this. Okay, here we can just add like this. Okay, here we can add this color to the global footer text. Like this. Now you can see we have this icon list, so we can just use the icon list here. Okay, here you can see we have to write okay, here we can write the phone. Okay, now you can see we have to add this, and here we can just add this as envelope. So this is looking like the okay, and also if you want to make this clickable, you can just put this here below, and here you can write EL and your number, right? So whenever you click, this will open the things app. Here you can say we have this, so here we can write mail to, and like this. Okay, and here we can just go to the text, and here we can write this as footer text. Okay, and for the icon we can use this as color. Okay, and we can just increase the size of this. Okay, so here also we can use this as footer text, and this is the list. Okay, now you can see we have the social icon here, so we can search for the social icon. Okay, here we can search for the Instagram. Okay, here we can just the circle. Now we can choose the custom color, and here in the primary color we can use this footer text. Okay, so this color is not good, we can use this. Okay, we can just play with the size of this. Like this. And for the icon hover, we can use the sky blue color, and this will read white. Okay, and here also we can just okay, so here and here we can just okay, here we can add this to 20. Okay, also you can see here the footer top main parent. So here we can just like 40. Okay, let's publish this entire site, even close. So let's see if our footer is loaded or not. So we can just go to this tag basket here on the home page and we can just refresh this. So after refreshing, you can see our footer is started loading here. Okay, we have this notification because we have to make this as a live site. Here we can also increase some size like this. Okay, now you can see we have to add this quick links and all. So we can just add this like here, and here we can write quick links. Okay, and here we can just make this white. Okay, and here also we can just add the list like we can search for the list. Okay, home. Okay, home about us. Then we have this here like our story. Then we have contact us. Then we have this like latest news. Then we have the privacy policy. Okay, here so also we can just go to this main container here. Okay, here we can just add like 40. Okay, now we can just duplicate this and this is 3. We have 1 2 3 4 and 5, so let's duplicate this like 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, right now you can see we can just publish this. So here you have to add the second menu. You can just change the content here. Okay, I'm not changing the content. Okay, now you can see for the last one we have the download app, so we can just copy this, go here, and here we can just replace all of these things. Okay, now we can just add the image here. Okay, we have this Google Play Store. We have this Google Play Store here. You can see we have the Google Play Store here, so we can just duplicate this also, and here also we can just add this like Google App Store. Okay, and here also we can just add this custom value. $75, and here also we can add this as 75. Okay, so this is also done. We can also publish this. Okay, now you can see we have to add this popular tags, so we can just go here, and here we can write as like popular tags. Okay, we can remove this. Now we can add a new container here below. Okay, and inside this we have to add a button, so let's add the button. Okay, so these are the popular tags. Here you can see we have the accessories. Okay, just rename it like accessories. Okay, accessories, and here what we can do, we can just remove this thing. Here we can make this footer text. Here we have the border type solid 1 footer text. Okay, and on hover, like this. Okay, now you can see for the border color also we can add the sky blue. Okay, now you can see we have to make this as much as duplicate this multiple times. Okay, and here you can see we have to make this. Here we can add this as flex wrap. Okay, and here we can just add the 10 value. So right now you can see you have to change this content like beauty, clearance, fashion. Okay, so let's change this first. Here we can write beauty. Here we can write music. Okay, here also we can write like gaming, and we can write here oils. Okay, you can see this is automatically taking the space, so you have to just add the flex wrap here. Okay, here we can add cloths. You can just duplicate some more, and here you can write electronics. Okay, like this. Now you can preview this. You can just close this notification. Okay, now we have to just increase this like this. Let's go the structure for now. Here we can just make everything like this. Now you can see we have some space for this to expand. Okay, so I think you have seen that. Okay, so in this way you can just play with the width and of this. Okay, I hope this you understand. Now we can just click on the shift card, go here, and here we can just make this publish. Okay, so this is looking great. Now let's go here and refresh. After refreshing, if I go and see, you can see this is looking great, and also this is also working. Okay, now what we have to do, you have to add this copyright. This is very simple. You have to just add a new container. Okay, now let me copy this color picker, and here we can just copy this color, right? And here we can just go to this. Okay, and here we can just add this here. Okay, here we can add this. Here we can write this as copyright. Copyright 2026. Tag plus all rights reserved. Okay, and here also we can just make this as 14, 15, and for the icon also we can just make this as like this. Okay, now let's publish this, and after that you can see our footer is also done. I hope you understand how to make this type of things. Okay, you can see this is also looking good. You can add some more text here. Okay, so this is done. Footer is also looking great, looking beautiful. Now